Hello, dear friends. Our today's topic is reciprocal lattice. Now, reciprocal lattice is used to represent the crystal lattice. That is, crystal lattice conveniently represented by a reciprocal lattice. It is very useful in study of the X-ray diffraction pattern by crystal. That is we know that the crystal, there are many numbers of atoms which are periodically arranged in three crystallographic directions, and their size are very small, which we cannot see by our naked eyes. For this, the structure of the crystal, to find the structure of the crystal, the X-ray diffraction pattern is used. And for that X-ray diffraction pattern, this reciprocal lattice concept is very much useful. Now, how to construct reciprocal lattice of a real lattice or direct lattice? जे आपण लॅटिस वगैरे बघतो त्याला आपण रियल लॅटिस किंवा डायरेक्ट लॅटिस म्हणतो. Now, how to construct such kind of reciprocal lattice of a direct lattice? Now, there are some points by which we can construct the reciprocal lattice. First is select a point in a direct lattice. Select a point in a direct lattice as a origin. And from common origin, draw normals, that is perpendicular. Draw normals to each and every set of parallel planes in the direct lattice. Third is fix the length of each normal equal to reciprocal of the interplanar spacing of that set of parallel planes. That is, जे आपण planes represent करतो, HKL मध्ये आपण represent करतो. काय म्हणते याच्यामध्ये fix the length of each normal equal to the reciprocal of the interplanar spacing. ज्या सेट ऑफ जे ओरिजिन आपण कन्सिडर केला त्या ओरिजिन पासून जर आपण एक नॉर्मल ड्रॉ केला एक सेट ऑफ पॅरलल प्लेनला, तर पॅरलल प्लेनला जो नॉर्मल आपण ड्रॉ करतो तो अशा पद्धतीने ड्रॉ करायचा आहे की त्या प्लेनच्या इंटरप्लेनर स्पेसिंगचा तो रेसिप्रोकल असणार. And fourth point, place a point at the end of that normal. Place a point at the end of that normal, and the array of such point makes the reciprocal lattice of that crystal. अशा पॉइंट्सचा अरे, लाइन्स किंवा अरेंजमेंट हा रिप्रेझेंट करतो reciprocal lattice of that crystal. Now, for this, let's consider a two-dimensional square lattice. जर आपण 3 dimensional घेतला तर ते फारच जास्त किचकट होईल, डायग्राम मध्ये व्यवस्थित दिसणार नाही. म्हणून जनरली रेसिप्रोकल लॅटिस कन्सेप्ट हा एक्सप्लेन करताना हा 2 dimensionally इमेज मध्ये हा एक्सप्लेन केला जातो. फॉर दिस लेट अस कन्सिडर अ 2 dimensional square lattice. स्क्वेअर लॅटिस म्हणजे त्याचा A आणि B. This is the lattice parameter A, lattice parameter B. This is the square lattice, and let us consider a plane. We have considered this plane. This plane is suppose 2, 3. That is HK. As it is 2 dimensional, therefore HKL parameter मला L निघून जाणार, only HK. Therefore this represents the 2, 3 plane suppose. Now consider पहिला point काय म्हणते याच्यामध्ये select a point in a direct lattice as origin. Now let us consider this is the point. Consider this point as origin O. This distance is B, this distance is A, and this plane is 2, 3 plane. Now draw the normal from this origin to the plane. Draw the normal from this origin to the plane. For this simplicity, हे आपण एवढा जो पार्ट आहे हा आपण पार्ट बाहेर काढलाय. This is the origin O, and this is the plane. आणि या पॉइंट पासून एक आपण नॉर्मल ड्रॉ केला. It means that it will represent the distance d, that is interplanar spacing. That will represent the interplanar spacing. Suppose this angle is delta. Now consider this triangle. And from this triangle, suppose this point, या intercept point ला आपण suppose now this is A, this is B, and this is C. Suppose. Now from this triangle, let's consider suppose this angle. Angle consider. Now from this angle, and suppose हा पण angle आपण consider करू. Now from this triangle, what will be the sin theta? Sin theta equal to, that is sin of this angle will be equal to. Now consider this triangle AOB. Okay. We are considering this triangle suppose AOB. From this triangle sin theta will be equal to opposite side, that is OB upon this hypotenuse, that is OA. OB upon OA. Similarly, now consider this triangle AOC. This triangle. Now again, from this triangle, sin theta will be equal to, sin of this angle will be equal to opposite side, that is OC, upon hypotenuse, that is CA, that is AC. Okay. Now as the angle is same, therefore these two quantities must be equal. That must be, we must get OB upon OA must be equal to OC upon AC. OC upon AC. Now as this represents the lattice parameter, this represents the lattice parameter, therefore this distance must be equal to, suppose this is lattice parameter B, this angle, this distance must be lattice parameter B, and this distance must be the h upon B, h upon B, where h is the HKL parameters, HKL आपण HKL parameters पाहिलेले आहेत, कोणते प्लेन्सचे HKL के parameters आपण कशा पद्धतीने काढतो. Therefore this must be represents the h upon B. Yes, sorry, B upon h, B upon h, and this distance, this lattice parameter is A. Therefore this must represents the A upon K. याला फक्त h आणि k पॅरामीटर्स आहेत, l नसल्यामुळे फक्त इथे h आणि k पॅरामीटर. It means that it will represent the B upon h, this distance, and this distance represents the A upon K. Now from this OB distance is D here, therefore we can write here D upon OA, that is OA equal to B upon h, B upon h equal to AK. OC means that is AK, A upon K upon AC. Now this AC, this is the right angle triangle, and this side, we know this side, we know this side. It means that this side, this hypotenuse must be equal to under root of addition of these two, square of addition of these two. Okay, addition of these two squares. That is, this can be written as under root of A square upon K square plus B square upon H square. You know that right angle triangle, that is AC square must be equal to OC square plus OA square. Therefore AC must be equal to under root of OC square plus OA square. तेच आपण या ठिकाणी काय केलंय, या ठिकाणी घेतलंय. जर याला आपण सिम्प्लिफाय केलंय, ते सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर काय मिळणार आपल्याला, A upon K upon under root of S square A square plus K square B square upon K square S square, K square S square. This is D upon B upon H, D upon B upon H. याला सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर याला अंडर रूटच्या बाहेर काढलं तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला, फक्त h अपॉन k, आणि h अपॉन k काय, सॉरी h k काय होऊन जाणार, वर जाणार, म्हणजे काय होऊन जाणार, a अपॉन k इंटू h k अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ h स्क्वेअर a स्क्वेअर प्लस k स्क्वेअर b स्क्वेअर, आणि हे मिळणार d अपॉन b. Cancel here obviously. k gets cancelled here. हा h काय जाणार, वर जाणार, आणि वर h गेला तर हा h पण काय होऊन जाणार, कॅन्सल होऊन जाणार. आणि हा b जर इकडे घेतला तर हा a सोबत b येणार, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळणार इकडे a b, आणि इकडे काय मिळणार फक्त d. d इक्वल टू a b अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ h स्क्वेअर a स्क्वेअर प्लस k स्क्वेअर b स्क्वेअर.